Hey guys, I'm showing you this wake up light. This is a sunrise alarm clock for heavy sleepers, kids with sunrise simulation. So this snooze with 8 color night light or the 5 level dimmers with the sleep aid, white noise or dual alarm clock. So I will just show you all this one by one and hope this is helpful to you. So this is the electric cable or the power cable with the supplied adapter. This is the manual and this is the clock itself. Just taking out for running this emergency battery thing, just take out this protective covering, just adding in the power. This is USB to charge your cell phone or any other thing that you want to do. So this have the dual thing, so on and off button to start this clock, and you can set up the time. So you can set up the time, and the good thing is because of the USB you can also charge your phone or any other device along with the clock itself. And you can see like the different sound and the volume. So there are different this night soothing music that you can use, or the white noise that you can use for your sleep as well. So like a 9 natural sounds and then the white noise. And as I said, this have the night lamp thing as well, so you can use all these different type of lights, and you can also dim it. So it's a dimmer setup for the different light thing, like a 5 level dimmer. So total 8 color night light with the 5 level of dimmer. So basically it's a very nice clock, I will say, and it solve a lot of purpose with this USB charging, with this emergency light backup. A great clock.